Well, hello guys, this is Now here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna create a dreamy anime style color grading. Adjust the exposure a little bit and decrease the contrast to -30. And the highlights to -80. Shadow to +18. And white +28, black -24. Now go to the curves and follow all my steps. Now go to the temperature section and adjust the temperature. Add a little bit blue tint and a little bit of purple. Now go to the mix section and select the red color. Decrease the saturation and increase the luminance. Now select the orange color. Again decrease the saturation and add a little bit of luminance. Now select the blue color and change the hue to -20 and add the luminance +11. Now select the purple color and change the hue +55. Increase the saturation +39. Now select the magenta color, increase the saturation +46 and press done. So we're done with the color part. Now select the effect panel and decrease the little bit of texture. And clarity to -50%. Dehaze -15. Now select the detail section, add the noise reduction. +60. And color noise reduction +70. That's it for today's guys. This is the very quick tutorial of anime dreamy look in mobile Lightroom app. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon. And don't forget to like the video and comment down below. Now you can guys follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description and you can see on your screens now. And if you have any kind of question, you can join our WhatsApp group also. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Now signing off. Peace.